Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're at EPCOT. We're gonna hit Guardians of the Galaxy because we got a boarding group, and then later we are going to do our Drinking Around the World challenge. So I hope you guys can join us. So this will be my first time on the Guardians of the Galaxy ride. I think, Les, it's your what? Second? Third?
This is my third or fourth.
So hopefully I don't get sick, and hopefully it is worth it. So heard good things about the ride, so we'll see. I will let you know how it is without spoiling it.
I know. Well, if you have your own,
that's the other thing.
We refer to this as time zero, before the existence of anything. Our worlds were born of a single point of matter and energy that lasted outward in what you Terrans refer to as the Big Bang.
Our cultural and art centers are renowned throughout the galaxy. Xandar offers
Oh, you guys, that ride was the best ride ever. Guardians of the Galaxy, Cosmic Rewind. Ride it. However you can get on it, you gotta ride it. Definitely a great ride. So now we're heading to EPCOT, or we're already in EPCOT. We're heading to the World Showcase. Thank you, because I can't talk. That ride was so good I can't talk. So we're going to the World Showcase, and we're gonna go start in Canada and work our way around, drinking around the world. So let's check it out. All right, guys. So we're in the World Showcase. We're making our way to Canada, and we're gonna start there. So if you don't know what it is, the Drinking Around the World challenge. Basically, we go around the world and we get a drink from every single country around the World Showcase. So I've done it. Benjamin's done it. Actually, we did it first time. What? Last year. Yeah, last year. This is gonna be Les's first time joining us. So we, one of his buddies has a prediction that he won't make it past Germany. We'll get him past Germany.
We'll drag him past Germany.
We will drag him. Right? Exactly. We're going to drag him past Germany. So, all right. So stay tuned for drink number one. Okay, guys, Canada. We got the flight that we're going to split. Now, the flight of beer has 3 beers, and the first one is the peanut butter banana porter. That's the one that I've got. Then Benjamin has the maple cookie blonde ale. And then Les has the coffee maple porter. So we're gonna give that a try and see how we like it. Bottoms up.
I already like it. So rude. Tastes like maple syrup.
Oh, that's good. It's not too heavy with the peanut butter and the banana. It's like a kind of like a peanut butter banana aftertaste. So, what do you think of the? What did you get? The maple?
Coffee. I can really taste the maple.
Yeah, that must be.
The maple's heavy.
Yeah.
But it's very, very good.
All right. So that's Canada. That's one down, and only 10 more to go. Stay tuned. All right, kids. So United Kingdom. We stopped at the Rose and Crown, and we got our second beverage. And Les and I are going to split the Bombardier, which is a English ale, and then Benjamin got a Golden Fox, which is Boddington's and the Bombardier. So it's like a half and half. Pro tip for you guys: if you're gonna do the Drinking Around the World challenge, if there are full pours, try to split it with somebody, because otherwise you're gonna be done by Germany. Cheers.
Salud.
What do you think?
Definitely an ale. I don't know what else to say. First time trying it. Never had bombardier before, but it's actually very good.
All right, guys, so we're gonna finish this drink here, and then we'll catch up with you in France. Stay tuned.
All messed up.
Yeah.
All right, crossing the bridge, we're going to France. France for drink number 3. Oh, they got the boats running again. France. France, Cronenberg, 1664. Bottoms up.
Yeah.
That's that.
Slacker.
Sorry, I just.
Damn it, you made me stop and I
I'm
spilled
like
it.
3 beers in. Come on. I like this beer. This is. What do you think, Les?
This one has a kind of a fruity note.
It's a fruity note, yeah.
It's okay for me. This is my least favorite of the 3 I've had so far.
Oh, you know what? So we never did. If you watched the last time we drank around the world, link up here. We were talking about the Moroccan beef stick or Moroccan meat sticks. Remember
Oh,
that?
I think so, yeah.
Never did find it because Morocco was closed last time. So if we do find it, we will bring it to you and show you what that's all about. So, all right, guys, we're gonna drink this. Head over to Morocco. We'll catch up with you in a bit.
I like your dog.
Hey guys, I just wanted to take a moment while we're getting our drinks in Morocco to say welcome. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing and turning notifications on so that you know whenever we release new content. Also, if you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. It'll really help out the channel. So, we are about to partake in our Moroccan beer. All right, let's give it a try. Bottoms up.
Whatever they say in Morocco. It's not bad.
It's all right. I mean, it's got it's definitely got some kind of
It's Francis
notes.
Connor. No, just kidding.
No, it's got some like I can't really describe it, but it's like herbal notes on the end. You know, it's not bad. It's not bad.
It's like a good burger beer.
It's a lager, right?
Yeah, it's like a lager, very much like a lager.
Yeah. Light.
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't really go out of my way to go, you know, oh, you got to go to Morocco, but so it's not bad.
Hey, there's a Nigerian one too.
It's true. But
I actually like this better than the French one.
oh, you like this better than the France?
Yeah.
It's because it's from 1665.
No, it's actually not bad.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's not too heavy either.
No, it's not at all. It's
Very
pretty
light. It's easy to drink. All right, we're pacing ourselves. We're on good pace. So we'll catch up with you guys in Japan.
Japanese.
Okay, gang. So Japan, we got the Ichiban.
What we did.
Oh, the Kirin Ichiban. Ichiban. What do you think of it, Les?
It's good. I like it.
It's good. It's another light beer.
Yeah, it's like,
I'm guessing it's another lager
it tastes very similar to a couple that I've had
or
already.
an ale. It's good. I don't know where I would rate it at this point, but
Give it a whirl.
yeah.
All right, Kirin Ichiban. Let's go. See, I like this better. Excuse me. I like this better than the Moroccan beer. It's like crisp. I like it.
Yeah.
You know, it's a little lighter. I think. So a bit more refreshing. So I like it. Good.
We have a wit beer here.
Okay.
Gulfstream Brewing, Whiteout Sales from Fort Lauderdale. Three Daughters Brewing Eggnog White Porter. Sounds good.
Interesting.
Playa Linda Brewing Company Peppermint Chocolate Stout at the end.
I do not want that one. You want that one? You can have that one.
I'm thinking the eggnog. Are you thinking the peppermint?
I want the wit beer. Okay.
Like-
All right.
like,
Good
please.
stuff.
Please.
Woo.
Please light beer.
All right. Okay.
The meal.
You got the peppermint.
The Yulo.
Okay. All right. America.
Morocco.
I can smell it.
Eggnog. You smell the peppermint?
I smell the
All right.
peppermint.
Cheers.
I'm curious about that.
You want to try it?
Yeah, that's definitely good. Gulfstream Brewing. I like the wit beer. I like the wit beer.
It's just a coffee.
What do you think? You like the?
I I didn't try it.
Oh, that's good.
Oh,
That one's good.
That peppermint is strong.
It's good. It's very festive.
Wow.
That's pretty good. I'm not a big dark beer.
so what?
It is,
Describe it. What's it like?
Peppermint. I mean,
It's a treat.
it's literally peppermint beginning to end. Like you taste the peppermint through the whole
Really?
thing.
But is it like overbearing, like a candy
it's
cane?
not.
Or?
No. It's,
Really?
very.
Wow, did you just try it?
Yeah.
I don't really taste the eggnog. Not much.
It's not overpowering.
It's not bad. It's just I don't really taste the eggnog in it.
That is interesting.
Maybe a little.
That's very interesting. Yeah. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's actually it's good.
This is the Playa Linda Brewing Company Peppermint Chocolate Stout out of Titusville, Florida.
We're halfway through. Halfway through the challenge. We're going strong. Strong.
Yeah, we're actually ahead of schedule.
6 down, 5 to go. So we're gonna finish up here, and then we're gonna head to Italy. So we'll see you guys there. All right. So we just finished up at the American Pavilion. Pro tip number 2 when you're doing the Drinking Around the World Challenge.
Make sure your popcorn lid's on.
Well, make sure your popcorn lid is on, but also make sure you stop for a snack so that you're not, So America Pavilion's about halfway through. We got 5 more left to do. We're on our way to Italy, so why don't you join us and catch up with us there? All right, guys. So we're making pretty good time. As you can see behind me, the sun's going down. It's starting to get a little dark. We just got our beer in Italy, which is an Italian amber.
Yep, it's amber.
It's an amber Italian beer, so
Ambrata.
salud. Salud.
Spill. All over Lance's camera.
Yep. That's pretty good. It's very cold. I like it. What do you think, Benny?
I like it.
You like it? Les?
It's good.
Yeah.
Still not my favorite for the day, but
Well, we
it's good.
haven't hit Germany yet, so
Oh yeah.
that's coming up next. Stay tuned. Hey guys, we are here in Germany. We've got our Schaffenhofer grapefruit beer. It's one of the favorites for all of us, right? I would say.
Yes.
Yeah.
There is
So,
no better.
Nothing better. Cheers. So we're gonna sit here, drink this. We're making good time. We're on pace. Although we are losing some light, we'll try to film under some lighting so that it's not too dark. But stay tuned. Okay, guys. So Chinese food beer. Not one of my favorites. Probably one of my least favorites. It's like a Chinese IPA. You guys might be into it, but I'm not. But here we go, guys.
I like that.
Bottoms
Oh,
up.
that's definitely hoppy.
Yeah.
I can smell it.
Oh yeah, that's very IPA like.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Ugh.
That is
It's a-
bitter.
Not my favorite.
Yeah, it's an IPA.
Yeah. Chinese IPA.
Kung Fu kick to the taste buds, huh?
Yes, it is. All right. 2 more to go. Powering through.
Cheers.
Hey guys, we're here in Norway. We've got Thor's coffee,
It's like
Viking coffee. Sorry. We got Viking coffee in Norway.
the hammer.
Here we go.
Cheers.
Oh my. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, you're gonna sleep good tonight.
That is strong. I was not expecting that. It's good, but it's just like wow. Like
It's chocolatey. It's nutty.
you like it?
I like it. I'm not a coffee drinker, but Vikings know how to make coffee.
It's good. It's just that initial like
Oh yeah.
if you're not expecting that punch of alcohol, you're just like wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh man, that's great.
It kind of just like it's like drinking a super sweet milkshake.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
With
you
a
can
kick of alcohol in it.
get frozen or hot. So we chose the frozen one.
Yeah, that was a
tonight.
good choice. The frozen, definitely.
Yeah. So you have your choice. Viking coffee at Norway. We're almost there.
Powering through. This will be your first, right?
Yep.
First completion? Good. Pretty awesome.
Cheers, everyone.
All right, guys. Last country, last beer. Dos Equis in Mexico. I'm gonna be honest with you, it was tough. So,
I'm glad it's over.
yeah. It wasn't easy. Cheers, everybody. Cheers. Guys, I appreciate you coming to hang out with us today. Please let us know in the comments if you've done the Drinking Around the World Challenge and how far you got and what some strategies are that you guys might have to be able to complete the challenge. From me and Les, thank you guys for hanging out with us, and as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.
Thanks, everybody.